If you're trying to lose weight, especially if you're on a weight loss program, getting adequate amount of sleep is very important. Normally people think that controlling what they eat is the way to lose weight. Yes, that's true. However, many of these external factors, such as whether you get enough sleep, what is your stress level, they also affect whether you can lose weight and whether you can lose that easily. If you don't get enough sleep, there is a hormone called ghrelin. It's called hunger hormone for obvious reasons. It increases your hunger. Its levels are seen to go up. Another hormone called leptin, it's known as satiety hormone. It makes you feel full for a longer time after you have eaten. Levels of leptin go down. Lack of enough sleep also affects your food preferences. You must have noticed that if you haven't had enough sleep the previous day, you end up craving for sugary foods, in general junk foods. And so effectively you end up fighting your body because of these hormones and your mind because of these cravings, making your task difficult. There are some technical reasons too. For example, lack of enough sleep is known to increase something called insulin resistance, increase something called glucose intolerance. It also shoots up your oxidative stress. So all these factors make weight loss that much more difficult. Now, it's not the duration of sleep, but also the timing of your sleep that is important. You need to sleep pretty much at the same time every day, because if you don't do that, your circadian rhythm, something called circadian rhythm, goes for a toss, and that makes weight loss more difficult. There are ways you can set up for a good night's sleep. You set your bedroom properly, set your late night schedule properly. However, we'll keep that for another video because it's slightly more detailed. But one question I'll address: what is adequate sleep? Because at different ages, you need different amount of sleep. In fact, the same person also needs different amount of sleep depending on the exertion he has done during the day. So what's a simple way to know this? Well, if you can wake up in the morning without an alarm clock, you have had enough amount of sleep. Now I understand there are infants in the house, there's milkman, maybe newspaper delivery guy is ringing the bell and your sleep gets disturbed. But if you wake up in the morning on your own without these external cues, that means you've had enough sleep. Your body knows how much it needs, and it will make sure you don't wake up before it gets enough of the sleep part. Thank you.